Today, we are going to show how financial institutions can use Antuar's inBranch assisted self-service kiosk to improve customer experience in relationships. Using this model for customer engagement in a beta branch, one U.S. institution was able to improve customer experience and eliminate teller lines. The branch did this by pushing all cash in negotiable instrument transactions to be performed through the assisted self-service channel, further increasing products sold per household by 27% in just 1 year. By providing improved customer information to branch staff at the point of contact with the customer, an opportunity presents itself for the branch staff to proactively engage with customers. We will use two views of the application in this video. On this screen is the inBranch kiosk that is staff-facing using a concierge tablet. And on here, you will see the customer-facing screen visible at the kiosk. Once a customer identifies themselves at the kiosk, in this case by card and PIN, the staff tablet is alerted that there is a customer using the kiosk. Should the branch staff wish to see more information, they can use the tablet to view the full customer profile, including customer overview, customer accounts, interactions from any channel and offers that customers are pre-qualified for. Campaigns and promotions that the customer may pre-qualify for are shown in these indicator tabs. The branch staff can also freely approach and engage with customers who are using the assisted self-service kiosks. If a customer is pre-qualified for an offer, options are provided to walk the branch staff through the engagement. In this example, the customer wishes to talk about a car loan but not at the moment. The customer can schedule a meeting at a time best suited for her, or she can also indicate that she is not interested in the offer. Different options are available for the customer and the branch staff in any scenario. Here, the customer would prefer if someone called her mobile between 10 and 11 a.m. on a Tuesday. This creates a warm lead that can then be placed in the outbound sales team queue. As Antuar's inBranch assisted self-service runs within the branch network, a far greater number of transactions are available and for higher values than on a typical ATM. Freeing up branch staff from driving transactions and moving them to customer relationship roles has proven to increase revenues by about 27% per annum in Antuar's case study. Antuar does this by implementing a model called a concierge model. This model allows customers to drive transactions and only have assistance when they need it. Antuar's inBranch kiosk is available with 3 levels of assistance. First is the inBranch kiosk or shoulder-to-shoulder assistance. Second is remote assistance. And lastly, no assistance. As we end, it is worth pointing out that each institution has the flexibility to work as they see best.